Hi guys, you are watching Hyperetics channel, and in this video I will show you that how we can share our file folder, Excel file, Word file, or any type of data with other guys or with our colleagues, with along with the security or along with the limited access. So this video is basically is all about the secure sharing from the Google Drive. So let's start. So first of all, if you want to share with anyone, first of all we have to click onto the three dots, then we have to click onto the share, then click onto the share, and then we have to type the respective email. I'm just giving you the example: test at the rate gmail.com, test gmail at the rate gmail.com, let's say. And we can apply the setting if this option is edited, if we will keep this option same, so the respected guy can edit the data or even can delete the data. So we have to select it as a viewer. So once you select it as the viewer, so he can analyze the data or he can download the data as well. So but he cannot edit your online file. So whenever you want to give the file to your colleague or to anyone, you have to select a viewer instead of the editor. So one thing is that and once you click send, the access will be granted, number one. Number two, you have to click onto the three dots if you share this link publicly, or if you want to share, means let's say if you have created a video over the education or motivation or anything that is data is not personal at all, and this data will be beneficial for all the guys who are watching your video or who are watching your file or reading your file. So in that case you have to apply different different thing, means you have to click onto the share, then share, and then you have to apply here general access. You have to apply anyone with the link. So now this data is publicly accessible, and you can also give further rights editor. Obviously if you want to share the data publicly, so obviously you don't want that someone can add, will add your data, or someone definitely you will not allow anyone to edit your data. So in that case you have to select viewer, and you can see that viewer is already selected to, so no need to do anything over here. So that's it. And once you with anyone, you have to just copy this link and send over the email, send over the WhatsApp, send over the Twitter, and you can share onto the YouTube description. Then this link will be accessible by everyone. So you can just copy the link and paste onto the WhatsApp or whatever you want, you can do that. So this is the little video regarding the secure sharing and public sharing from the Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.